Hi everybody, welcome to test number 1. I'm going to show you the test. It's also uploaded onto Google Classroom so that if you need to see it closer, you can do it that way. So this is question number 1. What is the slope? Question number 2. What is the slope? The rate of change. Question number 3. What is the slope? What is the rate of change? Number 4. What is the rate of change? What is the slope? I'll zoom in for this one so everybody can see it. Okay, so for this one, number 5, I want you to tell me what movement, if I were to make the graph, which direction would I go in? Would I go up? Would I go down? How many? If the slope is 1/3, what's the movement? Do I go up? Do I go down? Do I go to the left? Do I go to the right? And how many? Next one, number 6, what is the movement if my slope is 3? What's the movement if my slope is 3? How many up? How many down? How many left? How many right? Number 7, what is the movement if my slope is -7/3? How many up? How many down? How many left? How many to the right? Next, number 8, what is the movement if my slope is 0? How many up? How many down? How many to the left? How many to the right? All right, number 9, what is the slope if your equation is y equals 5x? What is the slope? Number 10, what is the y-intercept if your equation is y equals 5x? Number 11, what is the slope if your equation is y equals 4x minus 5? What is the slope? Number 12, what is the y-intercept if your equation is y equals 4x minus 5? What's the y-intercept? Number 13, what's the slope if your equation is y equals 3x minus 4? What is the slope? What is the y-intercept if your equation is y equals 3x minus 4? That's number 14. What's the y-intercept? Number 15. What I want you to do is I want you to tell me the slope of this graph. What is the slope? Number 16. What's the equation for this line, for this horizontal line? What is the equation? Number 16. Maybe I'm off. What is the slope of this vertical line? What is the slope? What is the equation for this vertical line? What is the equation? What is the equation? Next, what's the y-intercept of this graph? What is the y-intercept of this graph? What is the y-intercept of this graph? That concludes the test. Make sure you submit.